Oh, it's my Custom Cruisers. Okay, beautiful bit of kit here. Zodiac battery testing. This is actually Accumate, which, if you know, are very, very good. They make the best stuff. Okay. Now, this particular thing is a battery charger par excellence. Okay. This particular battery is this is about 2 years old. Okay, MB9U motor bat. So what we do, we go into here and we go, battery volts that. Is it an AGM, gel, whatever? Okay, if that's right, we go okay. Then we set to, this is only 9, so we set this down to 9 ampere hours. Or if you want to really test it, leave it higher. So we're going to leave it on 12. Okay, 12 means if there's any faults, it will show it. Okay, and then we press that, good and pass, 90%. Okay, that means it will recharge, no problem. Okay, now we take this off. Okay, we're going to put this on here. And you can see here, we've put it onto this battery, which is actually brand new. Not an old one like this. Check clamps. Oh, I don't know why it's saying that. Oh yeah, right, so we've got battery volts 12.77, similar to that. So we think, great, this battery's perfect. We go to VGA, you know, whatever battery it is, 12. Now this is a 22. So we go up to 22. Press it again. Bad and replace. And this is a brand new battery, so that ain't good, is it? Okay, all our batteries are charged using Optimates. Sorry, battery tenders, which is the best charge you can get anyway, which we do sell. They're very good. Even charged my Sprinter from flat once. Never expected that. But this says bad and replace, and the thing's brand new. I've had that with Odyssey, with XI, quite a few different makes. So it's like, you know, some batteries aren't as good as others, basically. Odyssey normally are perfect, but it seems that they're not as good as they were. Okay, so this particular battery, you can see, is no use at all. Wouldn't even turn over a big Harley. Okay, thank you.